Hello, all. Tony here. Well, it's been another eventful week in markets with US stock markets closing out a very strong April with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq posting their best monthly gains since 2020. Solid corporate earnings, especially from big tech, along with resilient economic data, has helped investors look past the ongoing stalemate in the Middle East. Closer to home, the ASX 200 has had a much tougher time. It finished the month just 2.1% higher after an eighth straight losing session on Thursday, its longest losing streak since 2018. A string of earnings downgrades weighed on sentiment, as did fuel security and inflation concerns. Looking ahead to next week and beyond the usual AI and Middle East headlines, attention turns to a pivotal RBA board meeting where a 25 basis point rate hike is widely expected. In the US, we get a labor market update in the shape of non farm payrolls on Friday, as well as the next wave of earnings from companies including Palantir, AMD, McDonald's, and Disney. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more market updates next week.